Checklist for the day. Phone.
Check.
Wallet.
Check.
Keys.
Check.
Sanitizer.
Check.
Masks.
Check.
Sunglasses.
Check.
Scratch sunglasses. Okay.
Good morning and welcome to another vlog. So today we are getting ready to go get some breakfast and then we're gonna check out a waterfall and then probably dinner. So those are the things we're gonna bring you along with us for today. And here's Honey.
What's up?
And also we kind of upgraded because I have this tripod stick that I say this now, but hopefully it's helping me stabilize the video more. So we'll see.
And it's just easier to hold.
Yeah, a lot easier to hold. You know what we need now? One of those things you could put in a car. So you have it sit here so I don't have to hold it the whole time.
Yeah, that'd be crazy.
See, just when you think you upgraded. That's alright. Alright, I'm gonna show you the bagel place whenever we pop up. It's called The Locks and it's brand new on High Street if you're in Columbus. So I'll show you when it's
Man, we should just go there.
here.
Shake Shack.
Right up here.
This is where we're going. The Locks. You excited for it?
Yeah.
Here it is, The Locks. It's pickup only, which is expected. So, we just ordered
Yes.
from The Locks. Now we're just gonna go get coffee because we have a little wait on our bagel because it's kind of busy. We parked by a coffee shop that's right across the street, but we're on High Street right now. Wow, check that big old mural out. We got some crazy bagels.
I'm nervous.
Yeah, I mean they'll be interesting. A signature bagel called The Locks that has like smoked salmon on it. But now we're gonna get coffee here. One lime coffee. Can we get one of those?
No.
I think this might be their signature right here. This is The Locks.
Oh my goodness.
It's got the salmon, capers, some pickled onions, cream cheese. Excited for that. First bite.
Low-key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me.
Wow.
What do you think?
That's really good. All right, we just took a little pit stop after the bagels. I spilled some coffee on my shirt. It was white, so it wasn't a very good look. So went home, dropped off the rest of the bagel that Marika couldn't eat, got a fresh shirt. Marika went to the bathroom, and now we about to go to the waterfall with our bougie waters. I got smart water because I'm not dumb.
Yes,
Marika, oh, okay.
I got Fiji water.
Because
It's the freshest in all the earth.
in all the earth. All right, you ready for this? Still walking there, but we just passed this place, Strader's. It's a little I don't know. How would you describe it? I guess it's a
nursery.
it's a nursery. Wow.
Dang, look at this.
Start of the trail.
Janina said take pictures.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling worse, and then you check the time. It's never what it feels like, just throw me a dime. If everything was good, then you would feel alive.
About COVID, every time you want to go somewhere, you got to remember to take your mask. We want to go to the plant nursery and we forgot our mask in the car, so now we got to walk all the way to the car before we can even walk all the way to the nursery. Masks. Got our darn masks.
What did you think of the waterfall?
I thought it was nice. They do have it to where you're not supposed to jump over the railing, but everybody does, so you can get a closer look at the waterfall. So when you jump over and get closer, it's a lot nicer view.
It doesn't take that long to get to the waterfall once you start the path.
No, it's like half a mile.
Right. But now we're at Strader's. It's a huge nursery, plant nursery. So we're just gonna see what they got. This place is big. Should have a big plant selection. We really don't have tons of room for more plants, but maybe we get a snake plant.
I want to get a plant to put on the fireplace, one that like hangs down.
Okay.
Like a dark green plant.
We'll see what they got.
That means you're extra extraordinary.
Bookshelf. I mean, not the bookshelf, or the bookshelf, but the fireplace.
Yeah.
And if we get one of these, we can get one of those cool pots that I saw on the way in.
Which one should we get? That looks nice. Let's get it.
All right, so this is the plant that we think we're gonna get. We're gonna put it on our fireplace and just have it like in a nice pot and have it hanging down. And then we're gonna put this one in our entryway.
These are the purchases for today. We about to go back inside the house. Drove home. We got the plants. All right, let's go. Hey y'all, who you think's being a little brat? This girl right here.